Get ready because the automotive world in 2026 just got shaken to its core. Subaru has finally unveiled the all-new 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid. And trust us, there's a secret feature hiding under its hood that the brand has yet to fully reveal. Today, we're going to break it down piece by piece, and at the end, we'll expose why this SUV could be the biggest threat to the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4. Stay tuned until the very end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because the future of compact SUVs starts right here.
The long wait is finally over. Subaru fans worldwide have been begging for a futuristic, eco-friendly Crosstrek, and the Japanese automaker has delivered in style. The 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid represents a bold leap forward, blending Subaru's legendary ruggedness with next-gen hybrid technology and jaw-dropping design. From the first glance, the exterior design immediately screams modernity. The sharp LED signature lights wrap across the front fascia, accentuating a wider, sportier grille. Sculpted lines give the Crosstrek an aggressive yet elegant stance, making it look more like a luxury crossover than a typical compact SUV. Its bold alloy wheels and aerodynamic profile ensure that this is not just an update, it's a full-on revolution. Around the back, Subaru went futuristic with a seamless LED light bar that stretches across the tailgate, giving it a sleek, premium finish. It's an unmistakable presence on the road, and one that will certainly make rivals nervous. The design cues alone suggest that Subaru is not here to compete, it's here to dominate. Around the back, Subaru went futuristic with a seamless LED light bar that stretches across the tailgate, giving it a sleek, premium finish. It's an unmistakable presence on the road, and one that will certainly make rivals nervous. The design cues alone suggest that Subaru is not here to compete, it's here to dominate. But what makes this Crosstrek Hybrid so special is what lies beneath the skin. Reports suggest that Subaru has partnered with Toyota once again to enhance its hybrid system, offering class-leading fuel efficiency without sacrificing power. Early rumors hint at over 220 horsepower combined output, paired with Subaru's iconic symmetrical all-wheel drive system. If true, that makes this one of the most capable hybrids in its class, both on-road and off-road. Performance aside, Subaru has also worked on elevating everyday practicality. Expect multiple drive modes, faster electric-only range compared to its predecessor, and improved regenerative braking. The 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid could very well set the benchmark for eco-conscious adventure seekers. Inside, the story gets even more exciting. Subaru has clearly embraced a luxury-inspired cabin philosophy. A massive central touchscreen dominates the dashboard, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster. Soft-touch materials, premium leather upholstery, and ambient lighting make the cabin feel upscale, something you'd normally expect in a Lexus or BMW, not a Crosstrek. Tech lovers will rejoice with AI-enhanced Subaru EyeSight 3.0, offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities, smarter lane keeping, and advanced adaptive cruise control. The Crosstrek Hybrid doesn't just keep up with the future, it drives straight into it. Now, let's talk about price. While exact figures are still under wraps, experts predict the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid will start at around $32,000, making it a direct competitor to the Honda CR-V Hybrid and Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. But with its futuristic design, stronger performance, and luxury-inspired interior, the Crosstrek has a clear edge that could steal the spotlight in the compact SUV segment. So, here's the big question. Is the Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid the ultimate CR-V killer? From what we've seen, Subaru's latest creation could very well dethrone Honda's long-reigning champion. It's stylish, powerful, eco-friendly, and packed with technology that no rival can ignore. One thing is certain, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid is not just an upgrade, it's a statement. Subaru is rewriting the rules of the compact SUV game, and if the final specs match the hype, the Crosstrek Hybrid might just become the SUV of the decade. And here's the secret we've been hinting at. Industry insiders whisper that Subaru may be preparing a plug-in hybrid version with over 50 miles of pure electric range, effectively making it a CR-V and RAV4 killer in every sense. If that turns out to be true, then Honda and Toyota better start preparing for battle, because Subaru has just changed the game forever.